What's going on, traders? Hope you all having a good time. It's Raphael back at the charts again, and in today's video we are going to talk about the last few days. I'm going to show you the results for the month, because this month I'm not going to take any trades, so we're done for this month. Just a quick reminder, guys, I'm running a giveaway right now, so you can win the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team, or if you're already inside, you're gonna get a $10,000 FTMO challenge. All you need to do is make sure to smash that like button on that video to make sure we hit 1,000 likes to unlock the giveaway. So we need 1,000 likes on this video, and you need to drop a comment in the comment section if you want to participate. All right, you can drop a comment under this video to have the chance to win something for this video, and then my last 2 YouTube videos as well. So smash that like button on this video, on my last video, and the video before that, and drop a comment under all these 3 videos to make sure you have 3 chances of winning the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle, or $10,000 FTMO challenge. So yeah, guys, let's get it. And yeah, we're going to talk about the last few weeks, because like this month, I mean, I ended up with some profit, but I'm not that happy because I took a lot of unnecessary trades. I was trading a lot from my phone. Even on Wednesday, I was trading while I was playing Counter-Strike with some friends. Like, we had a LAN party, you know, and yeah, I was thinking, like, why not making some money while playing Counter-Strike? And that was not a good idea. Took 4 losses in a row, and then overnight I was able to get it all back with the 5th position. But I felt like I did, like, if you're not focused, if you're not stick to the charts, if you're not glued to the charts, if you're not focused on your game plan, you're just gonna mess it up. That's it. But yeah, I know how to recover, so took that 1 win with like a 1-to-4 risk-reward ratio on Wednesday. So I was able to make all these 4 losses that I had on this Counter-Strike LAN party. Made them all back overnight, and then I was able to bank some profits yesterday. Yesterday was a pretty good day, so overall we ended up for the week with around 9%. You can see that. And for the whole month of July, we're up around 7.3%, as you can see. And yeah, the last 4 months we up around $4.6 million. Already withdrew like $3.9 million. And look at that, that's beautiful. So yeah, we had a good time, man. And I'm using Hanko Trade. This is my broker. I will put the link down below in the description. If you're looking for a broker, use them. They awesome. So let's talk about yesterday's trading session. All right. So let's start with Wednesday, guys. This day was shit. I thought, like, I'm not going to talk about that day because it was really not good, but let's talk about it. Fuck it. We need to learn our lesson. So what we had in here, guys, from the day before, from Tuesday, we had like this high in here. We had this high, this high, and this high. And I was really checking the small time frames, 1 minute chart, 2 minute charts and stuff like that. So let's go back here. So after we slashed through three structure highs, I really like, this was the most significant, the third one. This one was the most significant in my eyes. So when I saw like this break of structure in here, I decided to step into the game and give it a try to the sell side. As you can see, got stopped out pretty quick. So I got stopped out in here on that one. Then we broke the structure again. I was like, okay, maybe I was just an early bird. Let's try it again. Took the second L straight. Then the market came up a little higher. Then, man, these entries are not on point over here. So I think I got in here. So when we had like this break of structure in here again, I was taking another shot. I was like, come on, let's do it now. and as you can see, we got stopped out again, unfortunately. Then you can see like we got above, tricked some buyers into the market, then the market broke structure pretty strong. So on the pullback, I decided to give it another try and got stopped out again. Man, I was just on the wrong side. I don't know, I just took like 4 entries in a row. Then the market was pushing up like crazy. My meter trader, I saw that this high got taken out, so I decided to step into the game just before the session ended because I expected to pull back I mean, look, like we had a huge push to the upside, and at some point the market has to pull back a little bit, at least overnight during Asia and London. So I decided to hold this one overnight, and yeah, it was the right decision. At the end of the day, I took like a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio, took all my money back on this trade, and yeah, I was happy that I didn't ended that trading session with 4 losses. Like I was able to bank on the 5th trade in the morning during the London session. So I got out in here when I had like enough to cover my losses from the last day. And yeah, then later on yesterday I decided to take another sell entry. I wanted to see this thing go down at least a little bit because we have built up some structure lows in here, and I thought like we're probably going to hunt them. So I took a sell in here after we had this break of structure in here, after we took out this high and this high from the Tokyo session and the London session. After we took it out, I decided to wait for the break of structure, stepped into the game in here, got stopped out, took another loss. Overall this week I took 3 wins and 6 losses, but still made like 9%. That's why you guys have to really focus on risk management. That's the key, guys. And you, of course, you need to let your trades develop the potential they have. Don't close too early. Wait for your targets to get hit to make sure you are actually making more money than you lose on a losing trade, you know. It's very important, guys. Risk management is the key, and of course trade management as well. Having the patience to let your trades run to the potential target, and yeah, giving it the time. So took that loss, guys, as you can see, and then I saw another break of structure in here, and I was ready to sell. The problem was I was setting up my entry in here, and the market never came to that area to let me in. And I wanted to write this thing down to the same day's lowest point. Like I thought they gonna hit that, but anyways, I missed out on that trade, which was alright. I felt like a little, I mean, if you see a trade like that hitting your target so easy and you didn't run with it, then yeah, it sucks. But as soon as I saw that we get a reversal sign after grabbing all the liquidity down here, after tricking all the sellers into the market, after stopping out all the buyers, then we had like a nice reaction here on the pullback. I was getting in, and I gave it a little bit air to breathe. My stop nearly got hit, was very close. I even had to adjust it a little bit just to make sure I'm not getting stopped out. And after that we had this huge run up. I took first profits in here because this last push to the upside could be a potential reversal zone. So I took like I think it was like 2 positions from 5 I took off the table in here, so I was break even. I covered this loss in here already on over here, and then I still had 3 positions running, closed another 2 in here, and then closed another one in here on my ultimate target. If I would have held this one as a little bit longer, could have made so much more money. As you can see, this one was running through like a 9.2 to 1 risk reward ratio. And if you look on the bigger time frames, yeah, it nearly hit like this significant high, was pretty close. I mean, this would have been like a beautiful target, but I learned my lesson. I can't shoot for the moon whenever I trade. Like, this is not possible. I mean, I could have let like 10% run in to try to reach like a target like that, but I feel more comfortable taking profits at the most easiest targets where I can get like a 3-to-1, 4-to-1, maybe 5-to-1 or more. These targets are beautiful, and you have to pay yourself as a trader. It pushes your confidence. It stops your anxiety that you have sometimes while you're watching the chart. And yeah, it's very important to take profits. Don't always aim for the biggest shot, because you're not always gonna get it. The market is hunting for liquidity on both sides of the market. You never know when they took all the liquidity to go like to the highest target. You never know when this happens. So take profits, guys. That's very important. And yeah, that's it for this trading session, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you're having a good weekend. Have some good food, guys. Spend some time with your family. And I'm gonna see you next week, and we're going to smash the markets again. Anyways, have a good day. Peace out. Every time I, my body in love.